Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine. Before we start our study, let's do prayer. First of all, join your hands, close your eyes, start Om Bhurvasva. Om Bhurvasvaha Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Let's start with English prayer. Dear Lord, I love you with all my heart. Dear Lord, I love you with all my heart. Bless my day and my night. Bless my day and my night. Give us your peace today. Give us your peace today. Once again, sing with me. Dear Lord, I love you with all my heart. Dear Lord, I love you with all my heart. Bless my day and my night. Give us your peace today. Give us your peace today. Today I will tell you a story about the monkey and two cats. You hear about the story for your parents. आपने भी सुनी होगी. Monkey and two cats. They were fighting for piece of cake. Today I will tell the story. Okay? Two cats and a monkey. There were two cats and a monkey. There were two cats and a monkey. After a feast, two cats see a piece of cake. किसी के घर पे पार्टी थी, तो वहाँ पे उन्होंने देखा two cats, वो वहाँ से जा रही थी. They were see a piece of cake. उन्होंने वहाँ पे केक का एक टुकड़ा देखा and start fighting for it. और दोनों केक के पीस को खाने के लिए फाइटिंग करने लगी. A monkey sees this as an opportunity for gain and offer to help them. और ये दोनों फाइट कर रही थी. वो किसने देखा? मंकी ने देखा. मंकी ने उनको बोला कि मैं आपकी हेल्प करता हूँ. उसके दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा था, तो उसने ये कैट को बोला कि आई विल हेल्प यू. द मंकी डिवाइड द केक इनटू टू पार्ट. मंकी ने आके केक का दो पार्ट किया. बट शेक इट्स हेड saying they are unequal. पार्ट सेम थे, बट उसके दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा था. उसने बोला ये दोनों पार्ट सेम नहीं है, थोड़ा ये बड़ा ज़्यादा है और थोड़ा यहाँ पे कम है. सो ही टेक्स अ बाइट ऑफ वन पीस. उसने जो पार्ट किए थे उसमें से थोड़ा उसने खा लिया. एंड देन अदर, और दूसरा भी खाया. बट स्टिल फाइंड देम अनइक्वल. तो भी उसको लगा कि नहीं, अभी भी बराबर नहीं है. अभी एक पीस ज्यादा है और दूसरा पीस थोड़ा कम है. He continued doing so until there is no more cake left. उस बार वो कट करते जा रहा था और खा रहा था. ऐसे में उसके पास केक का टुकड़ा बचा नहीं. No more cake left. Leaving the poor little cat disappointed. More cake left. Leaving the poor little cat disappointed. और वो लास्ट में क्या हुआ? दोनों कैट जो सेट होके वहां से चली गई. वो और मंकी था, उसने ये पूरा पीस खा लिया और ये दोनों उसके सामने देखती रह गई. सो व्हाट इज द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी? When you quarrel among yourself, अगर हम एक दूसरे के साथ फाइट करेंगे, then someone else gain from it. दूसरा आके उसका फायदा ले लेगा. So we don't have to fight each other. We have to do work. When you quarrel among yourself, someone else gain from it. हमें एक दूसरे के साथ मिलके रहना चाहिए. सबके साथ फाइट नहीं करना चाहिए. अदरवाइज अदर विल someone else gain from it. कोई yesterday we did A and I sound word. Then after yesterday we learned about O and I sound word. Let's recall again the flashcard. T in teen, H in heat, L id lead, L id lead, B in bean, B in bean. This is a picture of peen. P in peen, P in peen. K id kid, K id kid. W in ween, W in ween. F in fiend, F in fiend. K id kid, K id kid. M x mix, M x mix. In O sound word, dot dot, dot dot. Caught, 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 caught. Pop, 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 pop. Hot, 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 hot. Hop, 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 hop. Mop, 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 mop. Pot, 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 pot. Top, 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 top. In Zoom literacy page number 46, let's revisit. See the picture, fill in the blanks with these I words to make sentence. You have given some 3-letter words, I sound word. You have to see the picture and you have to write the 3-letter words. Here are some fish given. How many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see. How many fish? 6. I see 6 big fish. I see 6 big fish. Once again, I see 6 big fish. This is a picture of bee and this is a lead. This one is lead and this is bean. So the bean has a lead. The bean has a lead. Lead यानी उसका ढक्कन. The bean has a lead. Here the man is digging a pit. He will dig यानी खोदना. He will dig a pit. He will dig a pit. Now the next is I am fit. Let's read box, box, cot, cot, fox, fox, log, log, dot, dot, mop, mop, pot, pot. You have to use this O sound word in this pictures. First of all, this is a picture of cot. In this cot, there is a box. The box is in the cot. Read with me. The box, box, box. The box is in the box is in the cot. Cot, cot. The box is in the cot. The box is in the cot. This is a picture of fox. This is a picture of fox, and the fox is sitting on a log. This is a picture of fox, and the fox is sitting on a log. The fox is on the log. The fox The fox is on the log. The fox is on the log. The fox is on the log. This is a picture of dot. This is a dot. Dot, dot. This is a dot. This is a dot. Here this is a picture of mop, and this is a picture of pot. The mop is near the pot. The mop, the mop is near the pot. The mop is near the pot. The mop is near the pot. Let's recall again. The box is in the cot. The fox is on the log. The fox is on the log. This is a dot. This is a dot. The mop is near the pot. The mop is near the pot. Page number 46 and 49 in Zoom Literacy. This is your classwork. Let's recall. I see 6 big fish. I see 6 big fish. The bean has a lead. The bean has a lead. He will dig a pit. He will dig a pit. I am fit. I am fit. In O sound word, the box is in the cot. The box is in the cot. The fox is on the log. The fox is on the log. This is a dot. This is a dot. The mop is near the pot. The mop is near the pot. In Zoom Phonic, page number 10, I sound word, and page number 11, O sound word. This is your homework reading. Let's read with me. Let us know the vowel I. In IB sound word, B-ib beep, na-ib neep, ra-ib reep. In ID it sound word, b-id bead, da-id deed, ha-id heed, ka-id keed, la-id lead. In ik sound word, ba-ig beeg, da-ig deeg, fa-ig feeg, wa-ig weeg, ja-ig jig. In im sound word, da-im deem, ha-im him, ra-im reem. In sound word, ba-in bean, da-in deen, pa-in peen, da-in teen, wa-in win. In ip sound word, da-ip deep, la-ip leap, ha-ip hip, sa-ip sip, ta-ip tip, na-ip neep, sa-ip zip. It sound word, ba-it beat, ka-it kit, fa-it feet, ha-it hit, la-it lit, sa-it sit. In O sound word, in ob, ka-ob cob, ja-ob job, ma-ob mob, ra-ob rob, sa-ob sob, ka-od cord, na-od nod, pa-od pod, ra-od rod. In ok sound word, fa-og fog, ja-og jog, ha-og hog. In op sound word, ha-op hop, ma-op mop, pa-op pop. Ot sound word, ga-ot got, ha-ot hot, na-ot not, la-ot lot. In ox sound word, ba-ox box, ox. You have to read page number 10 and 11 in Zoom Phonic. This is your homework.